UK Park. So what you see, these are how Gardaland houses look like. These are camping grounds. Like people sleep up there. Look at that. People sleep there. Up there. So basically we're going to the park to show you guys more stuff that is going to be so fun. You should come to UK, you know. So basically now we're going to our friend's house to get a ball so we can play with it and then we'll start. Going to the park. Oh, you don't throw me in there. Basically, you look at this. This is where the train crosses. So, this you can hear. School cameraman. This can be like, you could call this a you can come here anywhere you want to let you ride your bike, but not that easy to ride. Basically, as you see there, there's the houses. There is a school called Bedford and it says no ball games or cycling. It's a suggestion. Oh, hello. There's a ball here. Back garden. So basically, we're going to go to my house now. We're going to my house. Look, so basically, we got this ball. We're going to play with this ball. Right? So in the park, there's like three spaces. One you can like hit four bikes up and down. There's in the right. So this street is called Brockworth Preston, something like that. Let's move on. Do you mind holding my friends now? Because I have to take something. Yeah. One of my favorite gardens is that there's like a beautiful garden with so many beautiful rocks. This is my favorite garden because look at this. Look how pretty these rocks are. Look at that grass. This is, everyone can go on the swing, it's really nice. So basically, there is our auntie's house. This is Charlie and एक Mama भी एक है, but daddy daddy
ये फुटपाथ पे चल
different house. Basically there's a section
don't walk on grass.
Like these for cats to poo on. Yeah, this is so basically it's a private park. It's not private. It's like you have a go. Basically there's like a cute kitten and look at that bright sun.
Yeah, sun is so bright.
As you see, these are some like berries.
These are the red berries. Okay.
But you can't eat them.
Why? Why can't I eat them? No, don't go there.
Can I tell you why we can't eat it?
No.
Sorry. They're poisonous. We can't eat
Don't
them.
hit Khadija.
As you see, that's the Auntie Table's house. They are poisonous.
That's so nice.
Yeah, that's the mom. That's the mother.
Oh,
It's very scared of people.
Okay.
Her kid
Then
died.
don't go
One of her
close
kids
to
died.
it.
No, they didn't. No, one. No, they didn't. One mother died. Yeah.
Where are we going?
Hello. Basically.
This road does not lead us to park.
Yes, it does. You have to.
It is?
Yeah. Just
What happened? I became scared.
there is either two ways. You can either go from that way or that way. As you see, that is a funnest way. Basically, there's more than one way. You can go from full way and